Follow the arm and back down to first. Setting up the kinetic chain. Beautiful posture. Transfer the weight. Show the balance. So weight placement is a very important issue. The center of the head has to have a direct chain through to the middle of the metatarsal and forward on the foot. Then transfer the weight. Feel the hips equal. Good. As you know, as a dancer, you really need to work your feet. Yeah, so one day you can dance on your toes without any injury and stretch it out so it's really tight under the foot. That's it. Then the fusion ball is going to go on the calf muscle. And I really like this exercise because it actually really activates the adductor muscle for the Encroix perfection. And also the texture of the ball gives a lovely feeling for the alignment of the foot. Just going to roll over the fusion ball, transfer the weight. In this present climate at the moment when, as teachers, all around the world, we won't be able to be as hands-on as usual. So it's extremely important that students feel and they know where they turn out from. So this exercise, you really feel the deep rotators, don't you? Yeah. So that she can feel when the legs rotate, what is happening, because there's 6 deep rotators that lie underneath the gluteus maximus. And a lot of students squeeze their gluteus maximus and tense their buttocks, which has no freedom to allow the legs to actually move. And it can be problematic if they keep doing that as they get older. So I want you to feel where the turnout comes from. That's it. So the fingers. Good. Now this time after the third one, stay rotated and take a little demi-plie. And you know, if we can perfect the alignment and the strength in the lower limb at the ball height, then the rest will come with more practice, and as you get older, it will be stronger as the leg gets higher. But if we start out of alignment and the lower limb doesn't have strength at the ball height, then we have no chance of controlling it when the leg is high when you're older. Okay. And then we rise, lifting out of the supporting side, 5 toes, lower, and fondue, keeping the hips very square. Very good.